How to make money on Teespring. Teespring beginners tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Teespring and how you can make money using teespring.com. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to teespring.com and you will land on this platform right here. If you have no idea about Teespring, Teespring is an online platform that allows you to design your own products and then sell them on your store that you create on Teespring. It's a print on demand and you can simply run a successful business here. But here's the thing, Teespring is unique as you don't have to pay for anything and you can start a store from zero investment. All you have to do is you simply design a product and then earn your profit. Let's say that I design a t-shirt. This is the t-shirt that I design. I will not pay anything for this one right here. I will just design this online that I will just show you in a minute. After that, we simply put it up for sale. And if this is $30, then Teespring will take its cost and give you the profit for it. And you will be able to make $15 from, if the price of this one is $30, you will be making $15, but the investment is zero. The manufacturing, shipment, drop shipping, everything is taken care by Teespring. You don't have to worry about anything. The product quality is really good and the products are very professional, store is very professional, and you can actually run a successful business and make money online with zero investment. So let's get started. Let me actually show you how to get started with Teespring and how we design a product. So the signing up process is completely free. You can simply sign up with your Google account or your email address. Once you sign up, this is where you will get. I have logged into my store on Teespring and it's called Sway Closet. We simply create our online store while signing up and that's it. So you can see right here, this is our Teespring and we select from different products, then design them. So without any further ado, let's just jump into it. The first step is that we select what kind of product we want to create. We have premium tees, we have hoodies, we have mugs, glasses, and other products as well. But I'm actually gonna go ahead and create a premium tee, and this is the base cost, and it is going to be $16. So I can sell it for more than $16 and that profit will be mine. So it's a slim fit and a cotton one. The product looks pretty good. What I have to do is simply click on this pencil button and it will actually allow me to edit it out. And now we have to design our product. This is my t-shirt. This is the preview. This is going to be the front side and this is going to be the back side. So let's go ahead and add a design right here in the front side. So the first step is add an image or add a text. So if you want to just add text, you can do that. If you want to add an image, then you can do that as well. So let's say that you have a print on demand and someone demanded just text, then you can just simply write their name here and that's it. For example, if I go to text, you can see this is the text and now I can change the font. There you go. And this is going to be my print. So now I'm going to go ahead and add an image. I will simply click on add image and it will allow me to select image from my computer. So I will simply select the design that I wanted to add to my t-shirt. So I have added this design right here that I created. It's a cool dog t-shirt design I created. And when it comes to creating design, you might be wondering where you will be able to create such designs and get ideas. Well, you can search on Pinterest. You can explore different marketplaces such as Redbubble and Etsy, and you can see what kind of products are actually selling. Okay, and once you do that, you will have an idea that what kind of products people are buying. You can then choose a niche, and after that we can design within our, if it's just a text, you can design within your Teespring, but we actually have to prepare a design first. So you can actually go to Google and download images if you want to, but make sure that they are in good quality because we want the print to be good. And the next thing that you can do is you can actually use Canva. You can see right here, I actually created this design on Canva. And a good thing is that when we download it, so we don't have a background. So that is why we can simply go ahead and, create different designs on Canva. So it's completely free. And it's a, tip from me that you can design on Canva and then export your image. So this is what the front will look like. And in the back, I don't want to do anything, but you can actually add something in the back as well. But for now, I'm just going to go with a front design. After that, we have to choose the product color. We can actually select from different colors. So I have white. White is a must. Then we have this one, which is going to be blue. Then we have a red one. The red one does not look that good, but we have blue one. We have this one. I'm going with light colors for this one. I'm not just gonna go with a lot, and you can see, but we can select from different colors. There you go. So these are going to be my product colors, and you can see I can preview my shirt in any of these different colors. So we have white, we have blue, we have yellowish, we have gray, we have purple. So these are different colors. Click on done. So now my product will be created in all of these different colors and it will be available in these colors. Then we have to select an image, which is going to be the first image a buyer sees. This is like kind of like a thumbnail, and I want my white t-shirt to be the thumbnail. So I'm just going to click on done. After that, we have our price. So price for products fulfilled from the US. You can see right here, they're saying the cost is going to be $16, and they're asking me to, the price for this one should be $26, and I will be earning $10 of profit. So it looks good to me. Don't go over the board as a beginner. If your store is not that famous, don't go for expensive products. We can also select price in the euros, and in euro, I will be making 12 euro as a profit. Perfect. Now all I have to do is click on continue and my product will be designed. All right, so we have our premium tea, and now they're giving me a lot of different options to choose from. I can actually embed my design to all of these different things. We have premium tea. I can add it to a hoodie as well. I can add it to a bag. I can add to a mug, a poster. I can create a sticker. I'm gonna actually go ahead and create a sticker out of it because I think it will look good. Similarly, you can select from different products. You can see this is a hoodie look. Okay, a hoodie also looks really good. So I'm going to select this one as well. There you go. Now I have 3 products with this design right here. I can actually go with a long sleeve as well. So I'm going to select this one. So now I have like 4 products with this design, and with each product I can see this is going to be the price, and then this is going to be my profit. I can edit it out anytime I want to. For now, I'm going to click on continue. Once you do that, now we just have to list our product to our store. And I'm going to quickly go ahead and add this detail right here, which is the title for the product. And this is called a cool dog hoodie. This is going to be the name for this product. Similarly, I will go to the sticker and I will edit it out to cool dog sticker, and this will be, the product title. After that, we just have to add the description. Then we can edit it out, the first image the buyer will see. And then we have our URL. So this is my URL right here. If I want to promote my product, and promotion is an important part of Teespring because we're creating our store and we need to promote our product so that people will buy and check out my store. So this is the link that I will be sharing every time. Then we have visibility. We can go with public and we can go with private. So for now, I'm going to go with private because I'm creating this for the purpose of the video, right? And after that, this is my store. If you have more than one store, you can add them to different stores. So my store is called Sway Closet on Teespring. Once you're done with all of the details, then you will simply click on publish listing and your product will be listed on Teespring. So now my product is being listed, and you can see right here the next step is I can share it with my fans. This is really good for influencers. Then I have active integrations. I can add my Instagram, my YouTube, my TikTok, so that I can promote my products or I can run a sale. So that's how it works on Teespring. And you can see right here my product is just being saved, and it will just take few seconds. After that, I will be able to check out my products that I have listed. So these are my different products that I have actually created on Teespring. You can see this is my new product that we just created, and it's cool dog hoodie. We can also, check out our store. We can actually add payment methods. So that totally depends on you. And you can see right here, this is my product, and this is like all of the details, and it looks perfect. Similarly, I can now go ahead and create another one. I can check the analytics. I can go to my purchases and payouts. In payouts, you will, get all of your profits. And then one day you can just simply, set, and in settings, we can actually add very easy payment methods. Once you have your payouts ready, you will be able to withdraw your money very easily using Teespring. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to make money using Teespring. Start designing your products right now with zero investment and earn the maximum profit with your high quality products. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.